Victor Nobleza Wood, February 1st, 1946, April 23rd, 2021, was a Filipino singer, actor, and politician. His voice earned him various titles, including Jukebox King and Plaka King. Before becoming a singer, Wood starred in some productions of Sampaguita Pictures. He was a member of Iglesia and I Cristo. He previously hosted the show Beautiful Sunday every Sunday on the Iglesia and I Cristo owned Net to 5. Wood died on April 23, 2021, due to COVID-19 complications. Victor Nobleza Wood was born on February 1st, 1946, in Bui, Camarines Sur, Philippines to SGT, Kaki Wood, and Rosario Tiang Sering Nobleza. His mother was well known in Bui and neighboring towns for selling herbal medications and perfumes. He studied and finished secondary school at Jose Abad Santos High. Musical career. In 1972, Wood released his third album, In Despair. He became a very popular singer of that era and recorded many albums for Vicor Records. In Despair is an album of cover versions of popular English songs from the 1950s and 1960s. Three songs on the album, namely Jenny Jenny, Rip It Up, and Good Golly Miss Molly, were originally hits for Little Richard in the 1950s. The album has a combination of slow and fast songs, and the slow ballads include In Despair, Vaya con Dios, Have a Good Time, Hurt, and Return to Me. The album's ballads are highly favorable to karaoke singing, and a number of them are still heard in karaoke night spots. Among the album's upbeat songs are versions of Roy Orbison's Pretty Woman, Gene Vincent's Bebopalula, and Del Shannon's Runaway. In 1974, Wood released his 11th album, Ilik. 11 of the album's 12 songs are Philippine folk love songs sung in the Visayan language. The remaining song, Gugma Ko, uses the melody of Neil Diamond's song Sung Blue and replaces the original English lyrics with Visayan language ones. In 1979, Wood covered the Indonesian version of Anak from the fellow Filipino original artist Freddie Aguilar. Wood and his family migrated to the United States in the late 1970s. Later life and death. Wood ran for the Senate of the Philippines during the 2007 Philippine general election under the KBL banner, but lost? According to his third wife, Narissa, would died of complications from COVID-19 on April 23, 2021. Personal life. Wood had 2 children with his second wife, Ofelia Mercatha Ponce, whom he met during his stay in the United States. The couple had a son, Simon, and a daughter, Sydney Victoria. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.